Hello, this is Manyazol presenting General Science Practical Exercises for Grade 7. Question number 1. What is science primarily concerned with? A. Understanding the natural world. B. Creating artistic expressions. C. Developing social theories. D. Studying human behavior. The answer is A. Understanding the natural world. This is because science is focused on investigating and explaining the natural world through observation, experiment, and evidence-based reasoning. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a characteristic of scientific inquiry? A. Creativity. B. Skepticism. C. Dogmatism. D. Evidence-based reasoning. The answer is dogmatism. Because dogmatism, which is the belief's own opinion without considering evidence or other perspectives, is incompatible with the scientific method, which emphasizes open-mindedness and critical thinking. Question number 3. The scientific method involves a series of steps, including A. Observation, hypothesis, experiment, conclusion. B. Hypothesis, theory, law, experiment. C. Experiment, observation, conclusion, theory. D. Theory, hypothesis, experiment, law. The answer is A. Observation, hypothesis, experiment, and conclusion. This is because the sequence represents the core steps of the scientific method, where observations lead to hypotheses, which are tested through experiments and are drawn based on the results. Question number 4. Which of the following is a major branch of science that studies living organisms? A. Biology. B. Chemistry. C. Physics. D. Geology. The answer is biology. Because biology is the study of living organisms, including their structure, function, growth, evolution, actions. Question number 5. The study of Earth's physical features and processes is known as A. Astronomy. B. Geology. C. Meteorology. D. Oceanography. The answer is geology. Geology is the study of the Earth's rocks, minerals, landforms, and geological history. Question number 6. Chemistry is the study of A. The composition and properties of matter. B. The structure and function of living organisms. C. The force that govern the universe. D. The Earth's climate and weather. The answer is A. That is the composition and properties of matter. For chemistry is the study of the structure, properties, and transformation of matter. Question number 7. The main difference between science and technology is that A. Science discovers knowledge, while technology applies it. B. Technology discovers knowledge, while science applies it. C. Both involve the same process. D. Neither is concerned with practical applications. The answer is A. That is, science discovers knowledge while technology applies it. The reason is, science is focused on understanding the natural world, while technology involves the application of scientific knowledge to create tools, products, and systems to solve problems and improve human lives. Question number 8. Which of the following is an example of technology? A. The theory of relativity. B. A smartphone. C. The periodic table. D. The scientific method. The answer is a smartphone. A smartphone is a technological device that incorporates scientific principles and advancements such as electronics, material science, and software engineering. Question number 9. How does technology often advance scientific research? A. By limiting access to information. B. By increasing the cost of experiments. C. By providing new tools and techniques. D. By decreasing the need for collaboration. The answer will be by providing new tools and techniques. Because technology often advances scientific research by offering new instruments, methods, and computational tools that enable scientists to conduct experiments more efficiently and accurately. Question number 10. How has technology influenced human society? A. By making life more difficult and complex. B. By limiting access to information. C. By increasing efficiency and productivity. D. By decreasing dependence on natural resources. The answer is by increasing efficiency and productivity. Because technology has significantly increased efficiency and productivity in various sectors, such as agriculture, manufacturing, and communication. Question number 11. The development of vaccines has significantly reduced the prevalence of A. Hunger, B. Poverty, C. Infectious disease, D. Climate change. The answer is infectious diseases, because the development of has been a major breakthrough in public health, reducing the prevalence of many infectious diseases. Question number 12. Which of the following is a negative consequence of technological advancements? A. Increased access to education. B. Improved health care. C. Privacy concerns. D. Economic growth. The answer is privacy concerns. Because the widespread use of technology has raised concerns about privacy, as personal data can be collected and analyzed without individuals' knowledge or consent. Question number 13. What is Dr. Gitao Jigu known for? A. Developing renewable energy technologies. B. His contribution to Ethiopian education. C. His work in aerospace engineering. D. Discovering a new species of plant. The answer is his work in aerospace engineering. Question number 14. Dr. Sosina Haile is recognized for her research in which field? A. Environmental science. B. Chemical engineering. C. Biomedical science. D. Space exploration. The answer is chemical engineering. Question number 15. What major achievement is Professor Gebisa Jeta known for? A. Developing drought-resistant crops. B. Creating sustainable energy solutions. C. Advancement in computer science. D. Innovations in transportation. The answer is developing drought-resistant crops. Question number 16. Dr. Radiet Abebe is prominent in which area of the study? A. Artificial intelligence and algorithms. B. Marine biology. C. Environmental chemistry. D. Astrophysics. The answer is artificial intelligence and algorithms. Question number 17. Dr. Aklilu Lemma is best known for his work in which of the following fields? A. Nutrition and dietetics. B. Discovered medicine to prevent the parasitic disease bilharzia from the fruit of a common African plant, the endode. C. Neuroscience. D. Genetic engineering. The answer is, he discovered medicine to prevent the parasitic disease bilharzia from the fruit of a common African plant, the endode. Question number 18. What is Professor Alam Tsahai Makonnen recognized for in her career? A. Advancements in meteorology. B. Examining the health hazards of medical plants to humans, animals and the environment. C. Discoveries in renewable energy sources. D. Innovations in agricultural practices. D. Innovations in agricultural practices. The answer is examining the health hazards of medical plants to humans, animals and the environment. Question number 20. The base unit for measuring mass in the International System of Units or SI is A. Gram. B. Kilogram. C. Meter. D. Second. The answer is kilogram. The kilogram is the base unit for measuring mass in the International System of Units or SI. Question number 21. A derived unit is a combination of A. Different base units. B. Different derived units. C. Only base units. D. Only derived units. The answer is different base units, because derived units are formed by combined base units. For example, the unit for velocity which is meters per second, is derived from the base units of length, which is meter, and time, which is second. Question number 22. Which of the following is a derived unit? A. Meter, B. Kilogram, C. Second, D. Newton. The answer is Newton. The Newton is a derived unit for force, which is defined as mass times acceleration. Question number 23. When measuring a physical quantity, accuracy refers to A. How close a measurement is to the true value, B. How consistent the measurements are, C. The smallest unit of measurement that can be reliably determined, C. The range of values that a measurement can take. The answer is how close a measurement is to the true value. Means accuracy refers to the closeness of a measurement to the actual or correct value. Question number 24. Precision refers to A. How close a measurement is to the true value, B. How consistent the measurements are, C. The smallest unit of measurement that can be reliably determined, D. The range of values that a measurement can take. The answer is how consistent the measurements are. For precision refers to the consistency or reproducibility of measurements. Question number 25. A systematic error in a measurement can be caused by A. Human error, B. A faulty instrument, C. Random fluctuations, D. Both A and B. The answer is both A and B. Systematic error can be caused by factors such as faulty equipment or incorrect calibration, while random errors can be due to fluctuations in experimental conditions or human error. Question number 26. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? A. Velocity, B. Force, C. Acceleration, D. Mass. The answer is mass, because mass is a scalar quantity because it has magnitude only and does not have a direction. Question number 27. A vector quantity has A. Magnitude only, B. Direction only, C. Both magnitude and direction. D. Neither magnitude nor direction. The answer is both magnitude and direction, because vector quantities have both magnitude or size, and example include velocity, force, and acceleration. Question number 28. Which of the following is a fundamental physical quantity? A. Area. B. Volume. C. Density. D. Temperature. The answer is temperature. Temperature is a fundamental physical quantity, meaning it cannot be expressed of other fundamental quantities. Question number 29. A graduated cylinder is used to measure A. Mass. B. Volume. C. Temperature. D. Length. The answer is volume. A graduated cylinder is used to measure the volume of liquids. Question number 30. A Bunsen burner is used for A. Measuring volume. B. Heating substances. C. Weighting objects. D. Observing small objects. The answer is heating substances. A Bunsen burner is used to heat substances in the laboratory. Question number 31. A microscope is used to A. Measure large objects. B. Observe small objects. C. Weigh substances. D. Heat substances. The answer is observe small objects. A microscope is used to magnify small objects that are difficult to see with the naked eye. Question number 32. When using a sharp object in the laboratory, it is important to... Question number 32. When using a sharp object in the laboratory, it is important to A. Cut away from your body. B. Hold the object loosely. C. Use your fingers as a guide. D. Leave the object unattended on the bench. The answer is cut away from your body. This is a safety precaution to avoid injury when using sharp objects. Question number 33. When heating a substance in a test tube, you should A. Point the open end of the test tube towards yourself. B. Heat the bottom of the test tube evenly. C. Hold the test tube at an angle. D. Heat the test tube directly in a flame. The answer is heat the bottom of the test tube evenly. This prevents the contents of the test tube from boiling over. Question number 34. If you spill a chemical on your skin, you should A. Wipe it off with a tissue. B. Rinse with water for at least 15 minutes. C. Apply a bandage. D. Ignore it. The answer is rinse with water for at least 15 minutes, because this is the recommended procedure for rinsing off chemicals that have come into contact with the skin. Question number 35. When working in the laboratory, question number 35. When working in the laboratory, it's important to A. Wear loose-fitting clothing. B. Eat and drink in the laboratory. C. Work alone. D. Tie longer hair back. The answer is tie long hair back. This is a safety precaution to prevent hair from coming into contact with flames or chemicals. Question number 36. A common hazard in the laboratory is A. Broken glassware. B. Soft music. C. Cleanlessness. C. Cleanliness. D. Friendly classmates. The answer is broken glassware. Broken glassware is a common hazard in the laboratory and can cause cuts and injuries. Question number 37. In case of a fire in the laboratory, you should A. Run away from the building. B. Use a fire extinguisher. C. Hide under a table. D. Call the fire department. The answer is use a fire extinguisher. If a fire occurs in the laboratory, the appropriate response is to use a fire extinguisher to put it out. Question number 38. Before starting a laboratory experiment, you should A. Read the instructions carefully. B. Work alone. C. Wear loose-fitting clothing. D. Eat and drink in the laboratory. The answer is read the instructions carefully. Because reading the instructions carefully before starting an experiment helps to ensure that the procedure is followed correctly and safely. Question number 39. When handling chemicals, you should A. Taste them to determine their properties. B. Pour them directly from the container. C. Use appropriate safety equipment. D. Work in a poorly ventilated area. The answer is use appropriate safety equipment. Wearing appropriate safety equipment such as gloves, goggles, and lab coats can help to protect against hazards in the laboratory. Question number 40. If you accidentally break a piece of glassware, you should A. Sweep it up with your bare hands. B. Ignore it. C. Inform your teachers immediately. D. Try to fix it yourself. The answer is inform your teacher immediately. If you break a piece of glassware, it's important to inform your teacher so that it can be cleaned up safely and replaced. Question number 41. Which of the following is a potential hazard when working with chemicals? A. Inhalation of fumes. B. Skin contact. C. Eye contact. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above, because inhalation of fumes, skin contact, and eye contact can all be potential hazards when working with chemicals. Question number 42. To prevent electrical hazards in the laboratory, you should A. Use damaged electrical cords. B. Plug multiple appliances into one outlet. B. Plug multiple appliances into one outlet. C. Turn off equipment when not in use. D. Ignore safety warnings. The answer is turn off equipment when not in use. Turning off equipment when not in use, electrical hazards and energy waste. Answer the following questions by saying true or false. Question number 43. Science is primarily concerned with understanding the natural world. The answer is true, because science seeks to investigate and explain phenomena in the natural world through observation and experimentation. Question number 44. Biology is the branch of science that studies physical processes on Earth. False, because biology studies living organisms, while geology focuses on Earth's physical processes. Question number 45. Technology applies scientific knowledge to create tools and solve problems. The answer is true, because technology utilizes scientific discoveries to develop practical applications and improve daily life. Question number 46. The development of technology has made life more complicated and less efficient. The answer is false, because technology has generally increased efficiency and productivity in various fields, making life easier. Question number 47. A microscope is used to measure the volume of liquids. The answer is false. A microscope is used to observe small objects, while a graduate cylinder measures liquid volume. Question number 48. When using a sharp object in the lab, it is safer to cut towards your body. The answer is false, because you should always cut away from your body to avoid injuries. Question number 49. It is safe to wear loose-fitting clothes in the laboratory. The answer is false, because loose-fitting clothes can pose a safety hazard by catching on equipment or flames. Fitting clothing is safer. Because loose-fitting clothing can pose a safety hazard by catching on equipment or flames, fitted clothing is safer. Question number 50. It is safe to use damaged electrical cords in the laboratory. The answer is false, because damaged electrical cords can cause electrical hazards and should never be used. Question number 51. Science is a systematic approach to understanding the natural world. The answer is true, because science is a systematic and evidence-based approach to studying the natural world. Question number 52. Scientific theories are always considered absolute truths. The answer is false, because scientific theories are based on current evidences and can be revised or replaced as new evidence becoming available. Because scientific theories are based on current evidence and can be revised or replaced as new evidence becomes available. Question number 53. Scientists often use experiments to test their hypotheses. The answer is true, because experiments are a crucial tool in scientific inquiry, allowing scientists to test their hypotheses under controlled conditions. Question number 54. Physics is the study of Earth's physical features and processes. The answer is false, because physics is the study of matter, energy, and their interactions. Question number 55. Science and technology are the same thing. The answer is false, because science is focused on understanding the natural world, while technology involves the application of scientific knowledge to create tools, products, and systems. Question number 56. Technology is always based on scientific discoveries. The answer is true, because technological advancements often rely on scientific discoveries and innovations. Question number 57. Science and technology are interdependent. The answer is true, because science and technology are closely interconnected, with advancements in one often leading to advancements in the other. Question number 58. Technology has had a significant impact on human society. The answer is true, because technology has transformed many aspects of human life, from communication and transportation to healthcare and education. Question number 59. Science and technology have always had positive effect on human well-being. The answer is false, because while science and technology have led to many positive advancements, they have also raised ethical concerns and potential negative consequences. Question number 60. Technology has changed the way people interact with each other. The answer is true. It is true because technology has revolutionized communication and social interaction, creating new opportunities and challenges. Question number 61. The base unit for measuring length in the International System of Units, or SI, is the meter. The answer is true, because the meter is the base unit for measuring length in the SI system. Question number 62. Derived units are formed by combining different base units. The answer is true, because derived units are formed by combining different base units. For example, the unit for velocity, meter per second, is derived from the base units of length, ma times second. Question number 63. The kilogram is a derived unit. The answer is false, because The kilogram is a base unit in the international system. Question number 64. Systematic errors can be caused by faulty equipment. The answer is true, because systematic errors are consistent errors that occur due to a flaw in the measurement process, such as a faulty instrument or incorrect calibration. Question number 65. Velocity is a vector quantity. The answer is true, because velocity is a vector quantity because of both magnitude or speed and direction. Question number 66. The meter is a derived unit. The answer is false, because there is a base unit in the SI system. Question number 67. You should never eat or drink in the laboratory. The answer is true, because eating or drinking in the laboratory can increase the risk of ingesting human substances. Because eating or drinking in the laboratory can increase the risk of ingesting harmful substances. Question number 68. It's okay to leave laboratory equipment unattended on the bench. The answer is false, because leaving laboratory equipment unattended can increase the risk of accidents or spills. Question number 69. Wearing gloves is important when handling chemicals. The answer is true, because gloves can help protect your hands from contact with harmful chemicals. Question number 70. You should always wash your hands after working in the laboratory. The answer is true, because washing your hands can help to prevent the spread of germs and chemicals. Question number 71. It is important to read the laboratory instructions carefully before starting an experiment. The answer is true, because reading the instructions carefully can help to ensure that you follow the correct procedures and avoid safety hazards. Question number 72. You can dispose of chemicals in the sink after use. The answer is false. Because chemicals should be disposed of properly according to the instructions. Question number 73. You should always inform your teacher if you break any laboratory equipment. The answer is true, because reporting broken equipment allows for proper cleanup and replacement, preventing accidents and ensuring laboratory safety. Question number 74. Inhalation of chemical fumes is a potential hazard in the laboratory. The answer is true, because many chemicals can release harmful fumes that can be inhaled, leading to respiratory problems. This is all for Chapter 1 of General Science for Grade 7. See you in Chapter 2, and if you have any question, comment or suggestions, you are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Namare Komsa